Hello friends. Hooray! Here's the brand new mobile cell phone we're going to show you in this video. But wait a second, moving ahead without subscribing is not allowed. Cold sweat smile. See that red button, red circle? Just click it right finger like you tap a game button on your mobile screen. Video game. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video so everyone knows a new mobile is here. Now let's talk about the mobile. Party Popper. The Infinix 50 Pro lies gracefully on a shining glass table, a perfect blend of modern design and futuristic aesthetics. At first glance, it immediately catches the eye with its bold yet elegant presence. The front side of the device is where the magic begins. A large, bright, and immersive display stretches from edge to edge, almost erasing the bezels. It's the kind of screen that feels limitless, inviting you to dive right in, whether for entertainment, work, or daily use. The home screen is neat and organized, presenting the time at the top in clear numbers, battery percentage glowing with strength, and icons neatly aligned across the display. This clean layout gives the impression of order and sophistication. The display itself shines with vibrant clarity, reflecting light in a way that emphasizes every color and every detail. It's a screen that doesn't just show visuals, it tells a story of precision engineering. Placed flat on the glass table, the phone gives off an aura of calm luxury. The reflection of its display on the table surface adds depth and creates a mirror effect, doubling its beauty. The charging connector attached below is a subtle detail, but it completes the picture perfectly. It reminds us that this is not just a design piece to be admired, but a powerful machine built to perform and keep up with your lifestyle. On one side of the setup, a fresh green plant adds a splash of nature, balancing the high-tech aura of the device. On the other side, a soft white flower adds purity and calmness to the scene. Together, these small details create harmony, a sense that this phone belongs not only to the world of technology but also to the world of lifestyle, beauty, and comfort. Looking closer at the screen, you can see how sharp and precise the pixels are. The brightness feels natural, not harsh, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Watching a movie on this display would feel like being inside a mini theater, while gaming would feel smoother and more responsive thanks to its clear visuals. Even simple tasks like scrolling through social media or browsing the internet would feel like a richer experience. The centered front camera, almost hidden within the design, ensures maximum screen space without distraction. It's there when you need it, but invisible when you don't. That is the true elegance of design, functionality without compromise on style. The smooth edges of the phone flow perfectly into the body, giving it a slim and polished look. Its thickness is measured so carefully that it feels light yet durable. When resting on the glass table, it does not look like an ordinary phone, it looks like an object of art, something to be admired, photographed, and remembered. From every angle, the Infinix 50 Pro demonstrates confidence. It doesn't scream for attention, but it quietly commands it. Its glossy front, clean lines, and perfectly proportioned body make it a phone that would suit both a casual user and a professional. The setup around the phone enhances this elegance further. The table's shine reflects the phone's brightness, while the natural decorations, the green plant